My people, this forum is created because of the welfare of all the barristers from this community. We have to choose among ourselves from this very great meeting, this great union, this great pandemical opportunity to choose among ourselves who will become the chairman of this forum, the welfare chairman, the secretary, and treasurer, and provost, all the rest of them. So before I proceed, I would want to know if any of you have something to say. Any objection?
Well, Barrister No Case has said it all, baby. So who among us is going to be the chairman then? Could only n'ime anyị nwere ike iwepụta onwe ya iwu the chairman? Who among us here is going to be the chairman, baby? Who?
My fellow learned colleague. I will volunteer myself to serve selflessly and to be the chairman of this magnitude and innuendo of this forum. Man.
Thunder, may thunder we no get relation. Thunder from Sahara Desert will scatter and pieces that your mouth into pieces. Chairman of which emerendo? No, you want to become the chairman of which emerendo? So when human beings are talking, you, what do? Chimpanzee, you open your mouth to talk. You want to become whose chairman? So because I allowed you to be in our midst, and you think you have arrived? Huh? I wonder who even gave this utterance a certificate for barristeristics. I don't know. You open your mouth, you want to become the chairman, you want to volunteer, you serve selflessly. May that selflessly tire your generation, idiot. Do you look at yourself in the mirror? No. Have you for one day wake up in the morning, look at yourself in the mirror, maybe give and see what you look like. If I take you out in a public function where men of honor, people that make the law, gathered, then you ask me, or they will ask me who is your chairman, and I will point at you. Weka, Nabe, Otere, because you are wearing white wig. Caterpillar will no get break. What I want to hear you could rubbish.
Matthias, do you know you are a lunatic? Ma'am. And what is called higridi-pigridi, an inconsequential human being. Why will I look at the mirror? Wait, is it even bad for me to volunteer myself as a chairman of this forum? Oh. Tell me, Matthias.
Did you just call me a lunatic? No, wait a minute. Did you just open your mouth to call me a lunatic?
No, more than that.
A barrister with a hyphen, a barrister with curriculum, a barrister with memorandum and addendum, a barrister that his autograph has set a lot of people free, have set nations free, have set continents free. Because we came from the same locality, you think we are in the same shoes? Huh? I wonder who even gave these things.
Oh, shut up, Matthias. What do you think you are? Sissy, let me tell you, the next time you talk to my fellow colleague in this manner, I will sue you to court for collateral damage. What is wrong with you?
Even you. White wind.
Jesus, let me just calm myself down.
Okokocha.
Barrister, calm down. Calm down, let Jesus, calm down.
You. So when people are talking, when lizards gathered for meeting, wogeko, machakete ngwere ntakịrị, mosquito ngejaka abụọ teke gbadu n'otu ngụ na ngwụrụ ọbara ụlọ hichapụ ote. You open your mouth to talk back at me. Somebody who have flied on the air, moved in the river. There is no sea that I have never crossed. And because I came back to this village to serve my people diligently with acrimonious, indigenous iniquity of my heart.
Wait, let me ask you. You said there is no a sea you have not crossed. Have you crossed Red Sea? Have you crossed Red Sea? What is Red Sea? Have you crossed what is called Grimatuzwa Red Sea? Ask him! Have you crossed it? Ask him! Grimatuzwa Sea!
I don't make noise. The only thing I will do to both of you, I'll just remove these 2 weeks from your head and then put you under my foot, then march on top of your head. The Book of Law 1986 makes it illegal. You don't talk back at your senior colleague in that manner.
Senior colleague with self-respect, not senior colleague on your own.
May thunder fire that your stupid mouth.
Who makes this
May
man?
caterpillar pour that. If you talk back at me, if I stand up, I will jam both of you together and you clash.
Damn, baby.
Bandeze.
Matthias.
Barrister baby.
Ichezogi yanjima mele wenyu matras mbempelumpe.
Come on, machine.
No, for real, baby. Ichezogo nanjima mele wenyu nupu matras shege mbempelumpe. No, Matthias, pull yourself together and stop constituting nuisance, baby.
Wait a minute. What did you just say?
No, I said you should put yourself together and stop constituting nuisance, baby.
Muma.
No, what has Barrister Comedy said wrong here? He only volunteered himself. And it has not been sanctioned by us, baby.
So, you did not see anything wrong in what he just said? Barrister Comedy just volunteered himself to become your chairman. And you succumbed to it.
No, but it has not been sanctioned.
Will you shut up your mouth and when people that are learned are talking, you don't talk? You don't talk like a fool you are. What do you mean by your Barrister Comedy? Who made him a barrister over us? You will not even know anything. You just open your mouth and begin to vomit rubbish. If you don't know what to say, you keep quiet. I don't even know who called you to bar. I don't even know who gave you this certificate of barristeristics. Because as far as I am concerned, you are nowhere close to barristership. You are just a losant. You open your mouth and said I am constituting losant. Do you know what that means?
See, let me tell you, Barrister Matthias. Let me tell you something that you don't know. See, you are nothing but nobody. As long as law is concerned, you are nobody, baby. See, can I ask something, my fellow learned colleague?
Go ahead.
A barrister who cannot win even one case, is that person a barrister?
Barrister.
God damn, baby. Have you won any case?
Look at yourself.
No, for real.
Close that stupid thing you call mouth. That I have chosen not to win a case doesn't mean I cannot win a case. I have won so many cases over there in overseas. I have won cases between country and continent. When Michael Jackson and Diana had a collaborator, I won that case. I was the one who stood by them. I stood for them, and I stand behind them. Immediately I get there, only my curriculum, only my hyphen, just only my autograph. Only my autograph. George will eat okay. Then Michael Jackson say, go back and sing and keep on singing. Go back and keep on singing. When you allow me na London don't matter me. Because I chose not to win a case. Just look at you. Somebody who is even comparing himself with me. Because you go around the village and collect 1 cup of gari. You come to the court, give us Nelu chamber sign a court. A mesaganyo take cocaine in the seat. You think you are a lawyer. That you go around and go nation apple, I can get the kitchen and waterproof. Ikuka John. The other day I saw you inside the bush. You lie down. Barrister anymore. Are you a barrister? A barrister that defecate and defasticate inside the bush. Itukru, Igbo. Barrister Igbo. Whenever you see me at the court, I judge my cases with the mentality and the things I learned from the 4 corners of barristeristic wall in the School of Social Study. I don't misbehave. God damn you.
God damn, baby. Matthias, are you calling me names?
I'm caressing you.
No, you called me when you're a lawyer, baby.
Oh, that is what you are. You are nothing but a poverty alleviated lawyer. A barrister that has no shishi in his pocket. A barrister where he
No, for real, man. Are you calling me a lawyer? No, for real, baby. Have you forgotten that I'm a professional boxer before I decided to travel to United States of America and study law? Just for people like you, to mix me up, baby.
Boxer, you know.
You can Floyd Mayweather, Pialo Pacquiao in New York City, baby. No, for real, baby. You can piano my taxi in Pialo Evander Holyfield in downtown Atlanta, Georgia in 1996, baby. No, for real, baby. You can piano.
If you dare come close to me. No, if you dare come close to me. Give me a I'm not come near Bushas. I'm not come near Rapaco. A man you take cocaine on industries, like I said before. If you dare come close to me, I will tear you layer by layer. I will eat you like vulture. Chagote, Murezote, Trago to Toroyala. Oh, te see me on no shitra sent Matthew and Tiana Quoso. Deroyala yatie. Eli. Taban, Taba.
No, for real, baby, Matthias. You want to make a job now? Piag didn't double the now. No, for real, baby.
Are you rising for me?
Get them, baby.
No. Did you just rise for me?
No, for real, baby, Matthias. It's a one piag the
What's wrong with you?
What are you?
It's a pull along with you now.
I said, why not they make noise? Why not they shout? Why not they run? I hear this. What's wrong with you here?
No, leave Matthias and Jennifer. I'm kind of pack out.
Shut up! Shut up! Why the shout? Look at I said that for you.
What's half bottle name go take? Because he want to get half bottle.
Matthias, go sit down. Matthias, go sit down.
What are you talking about?
Matthias, when are you going to stop bringing shame to the face of this family?
Which family are you talking about? Which family? Uncle, listen, let me tell you. As far as my name, the BCN of this whole world intercontinental family collateral discharge is concerned, this family has no name. So when you shout at me, you mind how you shout at me because you are shouting at the law.
Matthias, I must shout at you. I must shout at you, Matthias. This is going out of hand, though. Okay, tell me. Just tell me one reason that will make you to be fighting in public. Just bam of you. Why won't I shout at you?
Just hear yourself talk. Uncle, no, hear yourself talk. Why won't I fight in public? Why won't I fight in the public? You expect me, a barrister with curriculum, a barrister with hyphen, a barrister that has a name that rings a bell all over the world. I should sit down and watch those urchins, those little brat that was just called into bar just yesterday, to rub my name to the mud, to bring my reputation down. Uncle, check him now. No, to Lego dear. Who does that in this modern time? I can never do that. What we did is the lawful war. You fight me, I fight you. We fight ourselves.
Matthias. Afo nekede. Ibuti tata. Matthias, you brought you brain why you're not more a little baby. I don't care what happened between you and your people. But my major concern is this. You are not supposed to be fighting outside, Matthias. I
must fight everywhere.
Eh?
We are legal fighters. This is legal war. Registered war.
Hey.
A war that was signed by the senior Sand.
Mediocre.
On Minneapolis. Senior Sand. I signed it from onset. So nobody will stop me from fighting. I don't care whether I fight, whether I fought, or whether they fought me. Tell them, wherever I see them, the fight must continue until they learn how to stand between their boundaries. Nonsense.
Matthias, how you study the law and where you study the law, how you people do your things over there is different from what is happening in this family now. My major concern is what people will say. That's my major problem. Matthias, still bring ọ bụrụ ụmụazị ka iji n'aka ọ bụrụ nwaanyị ka iji n'aka okpokpo oyibo sọsọ ya ka iji napụta ya ebe a bụrụ ihe na-ebutere anyị n'ezinụlọ anụnwa Mathias chebere onwe ga-eche o chere oge onwe ga-echiche na asị na akwụna ga-ebe akwa nwa n'ụwa nkakwa chebere onwe ga-eche Mathias chebere onwe ga-echiche go out there and listen to what people are talking about. Go out there and see what they are saying with your name. Ka isi iburu ikpe wee jee na court leme nke ị na-emeri iburu ikpe jee na court onye na-edefend eje nga.
Uncle, let me tell you, I am not afraid of what people talk about me.
Udumoyoyo.
Yes, Udumoyoyo. I don't care whatever you say. The only thing that matters is what stands, the truth. Of course, you know, in this whole world, even when you do bad, people will talk. When you do good, people will talk. People are meant to talk. But listen, let me sound it as a warning. Go to the village and tell them, anybody that wants to wag his mouth about me should go ahead and do that. But they should not say it to my hearing. If I see or hear or catch or capture anybody speaking ill of me, beyond the bar, he will never come out to see the surface of this earth until they call and turn him in prison. And I mean every word of it. Go and tell them I said so.
The more yo. Odolo manya ni nocharia. Odo manya ni nocharia. Kanje tigi na ekpere ni nocharia.
How did it go?
Everything went well. It was cool. Like, everything went well and everything went as we planned it, and I told him everything we talked about. So, at a point, he insisted on me going inside with him, but I handled it too. I handled it. Nothing happened.
Hope he didn't touch you.
No.
He didn't force you.
No, he didn't. He didn't. And I also told him that if we win the case, that I'm ready to be his woman.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
Let's just stick to the plan. Let him just win the case for us willingly. Okay?
Yeah.
And everything will be fine.
Sure.
Yeah? Sorry for the stress.
It's fine.
Sorry for the stress. I made rice.
Aww, you know it's my favorite.
I know now.
Choma, my sister. Wonder shall never end.
What happened?
I heard that some barristers fought yesterday at Market Square.
My sister is in there. I heard the news also. And I even learned that it was Oga Barrister, no case. That Matthias, that was even carried the whole case on his head like a village headmaster.
I don't know what that barrister no case problem is. He keeps bragging, yet he has never won any single case.
My sister, if that is the case, that means he's not a barrister. He's just all these charge and bear lawyers, this Paco, all these random village barristers.
You're right, my sister. He's not supposed to be a barrister. He's supposed to be teller. Or
Onyoburushi now.
You are there. Ijia, Wakebera.
I would never like to get bushy. Amadio Hanelu Wakiru na bossy get bushy. How dare you?
We greet you.
We greet your ancestors. If you don't shift from my front now, I will greet your grave.
Are you people all right? Huh? So I am now the one you are discussing by the roadside. A barrister with hyphen. A barrister with curriculum. A barrister with onomatopoeias. Disqualified and then downgraded and upgraded barrister. I am the one you are here discussing about, that I should go and learn tailoring. Or even Onyoburum or Kole. Huh?
We are sorry, barrister. It will not happen again.
You are sorry?
Yes.
It will not happen again.
Yes.
Anyway, I want it to happen again and again and again. I don't want it to stop. So whatever that concerns sorry in your life, keep it for your generation to come. I don't want to consider solo for stupid girls like you.
We are sorry.
You will have to be sorry for your grave the next minute. If I dare hear you talk to me, I will just hit this bag on you. What an one. Don't you people have respect for law chambers? Now move it. I am arresting both of you right now.
Barrister, nice. I'm not going to that now.
Barrister,
we are sorry.
We are sorry, please.
It has not gotten to that.
Yes.
But it has gotten to the extent of talking about me.
It's a slip of tongue.
It will have to wake up. That tongue has to wake up from sleep because both of you are going to be imprisoned. Imprisoned.
Yeah.
ED ends it. With my autograph, you will rot in jail. Now move it.
Barrister, we are sorry now.
Come.
We are sorry now.
Move it.
This kind of barrister, I never seen him before. This kind of barrister,
Thank God I saw you here.
What is it? I heard that your sister, Izine, has been taken down to the police station right now.
My sister?
Yes.
The one I sent to market to get something for me?
Yes.
What really happened?
I heard it's barrister no case.
Barrister no case?
Barrister no case took your sister and her friend to the police station.
What will my sister do that will make barrister no case take her to station?
I don't know. I just said let me come and tell you, so that you'll be able to go and bear her at the police station before it becomes too late. I've said my own.
Okay, thank you for the information.
What can I do for you?
Matthias, I want to know the reason you lock up my sister and her friend with instruction there will be no bailout.
It's like you've lost your senses. It's like you are not cultured. It's like you lack some manners. Your parents did not teach you that when you see people that is better than you, you should give them maximum respect. How dare you call me by my name, Matthias? Am I your age mate? A barrister with hyphen? A barrister of law? See, let me tell you, if you cannot pronounce and call me properly the way I should be addressed, you get out of this place. I don't care.
Barrister no case. It's uncalled for. No matter what they have done, you shouldn't have summoned them to court.
Where would I have summoned them to? To Gugu Shrine? Or I should have taken them to Ariso Okija. Or maybe take them to Elahia, Iago. Or better still, take them to the boutique. Zora home aqua pino. Haji putana agana abramwa dorime. Or maybe take them to Babin Saloon, Ebagala Hishi, Asumwa Hishimpe. Or better still, to the zoo. Hagabranya ha Christmas. Or they should go there and look at people like you, because I know it is only in the zoo we see people like you. What would I have done? Somebody who assassinated my character. Some stupid girls who stood by the roadside to assassinate my character. A barrister of law. A lawmaker. A barrister with a curriculum. A barrister with a 12th murder degree case during the war. A barrister with a scrutum. They murdered my character. They assassinated my character by talking trash about me. And you are here talking rubbish. Mr. Man, let me tell you. You people should get ready to meet me at the court. That's fine now.
Barrister no case. She's the only sister I have. Please have mercy on her. Please.
I cannot. There is no amicable here. And justice and mercy have been tapping them together. I've been chopping them together and I talam her but I don't that work. So this time around, I tattled not. Oh yes! Yes.
What should I do now?
You have to go to the oracle of this village. Go there and begin to serve the oracle if you don't know what to do. You people should go and get ready and meet me at the court. Because law must take its cost. They have to be jailed.
Please. Matthias. I'm talking about my sister, please. My only sister. Have mercy.
Nah, so please. Otodri Sonando Ebebe. Ekele Maria Egypt and Gracia. Oseplu and Onyinege. Onyo Bondin John. Onye ntaso bi ndena na ahụhụ. Enyemaka ndị otu Kristi. Idiots. No, bịa ka ikpe ekpere. In a week ala. Oh, do you know how many years I have knelt down? I have knelt down for years. And what do you mean there? Very soon.
Good afternoon, Mazinaj. All the more.
You're welcome. No, at your break, I was about going somewhere before you came.
Okay, thank God I meet you, sir.
I hope all is well.
All is not well, sir. Sir, I'm here on behalf of my sister. Please, Mazinaj, I don't know what my sister did that will make Barrister Noke sue her to court.
Excuse me. Come again. You mean Barrister Noke have already sued her to court?
That was what she told me.
What is wrong with this young man? Eh? Does that mean that any case he sets his eyes on must go to court? Yeah, our elderly people not here no black potazrin must go to court.
Please, Mazinaj, I'm here to beg on behalf of my sister. Please do whatever you can to release my sister. Please. Please, I'm begging with the name of God.
Barrister Matthias. Onye tarakwa mu ebune jikwa ibi obo. Werekwa ewayo biko wanne m. Werekwa ewayo. Well, I heard you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And I was about going somewhere to see Mazuko before you came, eh? I will go and talk to him later. Then I will see what I can do about it. Don't worry. Go home and relax. My regards to your family. I will talk to him later about it.
I really appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
I will see him soon, eh?
Thank you.
Don't worry yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Matthias. What kind of thing is this? Every little thing, court. Every little thing, court. If I went to Igbo, when the men are not here, when elderly people not here.
Uncle, please, I beg you in the name of God. If you also want me to beg you with the name of Amadioha, which you people serve over here, I can join it together and beg you. Stop interfering in my own affair. I am a practicing lawyer. I am a practicing barrister. I am a practicing legalized demonisher. So allow me to demolish and then practice my calling. What is this?
If you come say leggy, Matthias, do you see I'm looking at you? Eh? Practicing barrister. You practice barrister. From the same people from the same village that was celebrated the day you came back. Now, my major concern is this. Please, beg those police people to release those girls. Biko. Okay? This is a case you know we can settle within us. Eh? Are you going to Igbo bodo? Are you going to Zinde Munna? Onye no gana buzi na court.
Uncle, please. I have no time with those shit. I have no time with Omona, Omone, Omonwa, Omo, Omo, Atoro, Omumbe. I don't have time with them. I am a legalized barrister. I told you before. Yes, I remembered I did. That if anybody should talk about me, he or she had a license to go ahead and do it. But let them not say it to my hearing. I told you. I said it. Now what happened? They have said it to my hearing. I want them to appear at the court so that people will also sit down and hear their own story.
Miriokwa. Okay. If that is what you want, eh? The other way around of it, I'm not really against it. The other way around, I'm against it. Do you know the reason I'm against it? The father of that little girl there, one of those girls that police arrested, is the best friend of your dad when your dad was alive. I don't know if you remember. They are happy that you came back home, that you are a barrister. At least we have a barrister in this village. They are the people you are putting in prison. Matthias, think very well. So you will know if this thing you're doing is the right thing or not.
Uncle, I have respected you enough, but I don't have time. I don't have much time. I said it before. The only thing you can do for me now is to tell that your Mazi Okeke or whatever to get ready, get a barrister, and meet me at the court for hearing. Yes. The same way they stand by the road to tarnish my image, to rub my name to the mud. It's also the same way people will gather at that law court to hear their own story. By the time I am done with them, lawfully, barristerfully, disgustingly, they will know that yes, somebody have arrived. I will tell them that I am not a reverse standard barrister. I will deal with them mercilessly. At the time I am done dealing with them, they will know that I am not. I am a barrister with opuliendum. Yes, opuliendum.
Opuliendum.
On how?
Let me ask you one question, please. I want you to give me an answer. Which barrister do you want them to go and get that will defend them? Is it barrister Garden, baby? Ebe ha na-enwe aṅụrị na ha nwere onye dịka gị. Biko, barrister Matthias Ikpeama. Eji m Chineke nna wee yọọ gị. Please, forgive them. Biko, nyakwu ụmụnne gị. Biko.
Uncle Biko, I think I have a lot of cases here. I have a murder case. I have a raping case.
Udu.
And even you, a widow reported you of rape. So I'm still going to look into it later. So please. Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.